Welcome to another TA Tech Tip. Today we're excited to announce a brand new feature in Trios called TRIOS JSON Export. Whether you're deep into data science, streamlining automation, or simply seeking better ways to archive your results, JSON Export will transform the way you use your Trios data. But first, let's break down what JSON is and why it's so powerful for researchers and scientists alike. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a format that makes data easy to read and write not just for us, but also for computers. It's incredibly versatile, helping to seamlessly integrate your Trios data with other lab data tools, including LIMS systems and databases. Let's explore how you can leverage JSON Export in Trios. We've made it accessible through several convenient options. 1. Automatic. Your Trios files are automatically duplicated as JSON files. This is perfect for seamless integration with newly collected data and can be configured in the options. 2. Export menu. Choose JSON just like you would Excel or CSV to save data wherever you need. 3. Export to LIMS. Incorporating JSON files into our existing LIMS export feature allows for automated data consumption, a feature which is also configurable in the options menus. 4. Batch tool. A user-friendly interface for batch processing that converts your historic Trios data files into JSON. 5. In autopilot. Customize your workflows by using the new Export to JSON block. 6. Command line. For those who prefer scripting, we've added a command for JSON export. Integrating JSON with your favorite programming tools is straightforward. Here's how simple it is with Python, R, and MATLAB. In Python, you simply import the built-in JSON module and use its load method, converting the data straight to a dictionary. In R, you can install something like the JSONLite library and use that to import the data into native R objects. In MATLAB, you can use the JSON decode function to convert the file contents to native MATLAB data structures. Not only can you read these files easily, we guarantee a specific structure as defined in our open source JSON schema, so you can write your data ingestion code with confidence that it won't break when encountering an unknown part of the file. Now let's dive into the open source Python library, TA Data Kit, and see how it'll help you go beyond the simple archival of data. Using Trios JSON Export and TA Data Kit, you can easily perform complex data analyses like multiple experiment kinetics transformations. Let's walk through that. First, we'll use the Trios batch function to export some historic kinetics files to JSON format. Remember, this is only one way that you can get this file. If we look at the structure of the file, we can see a clear hierarchy to the data, making it easy to find the data you need. If we pull in the experiment class from TA Data Kit in Python, you'll see that this maintains that same structure. With a single line of code, you can import a file and all of that data is available at your fingertips in native Python data types. The Python library is also augmented with some helper functions, allowing us, for example, to easily access the results as a data frame, meaning that with just one more line of code, we can generate a plot of the data. Now to get a little more advanced, in one simple code block, we can grab all the files from our kinetics experiment, load them, and then plot an overlay graph of them. Now that we have them in there, we can perform enthalpy calculations across all heating rates and add them to the graph. Taking the results of those calculations, we can plot an Arrhenius plot and calculate the activation energy of this reaction. Bear in mind that I'm only showing you 4 files here, but this is scalable, allowing you to deal with very large numbers of data files. Are you ready to simplify your data workflows? Check out the JSON export feature by updating your Trios software today and dive into the schema, our extensive documentation, and example Jupyter notebooks available on our website and GitHub. Thanks for watching this TA Tech Tip. We hope you explore the possibilities of Trios JSON export and let us know how it transforms your data experience.